Let's hem a pleated skirt. Hemming a pleated skirt is really the same thing as hemming any skirt. At the bottom, the pleats aren't sewn into pleats. If they would be, they wouldn't be pleats. They're open. You're just pressing up a hem as you normally would. Keep pressing up your desired hem amount evenly from the bottom. Next, we'll continue as we typically do for a hem. You would cut off your excess fabric where serging adheres so that the serger can finish off the fabric that remains. Check us out at thesewpro.com for all your sewing instruction, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a notification when there's a new free video. Now we will hem this. We're doing this with a blind stitcher machine since this is a uniform skirt and it comes with a blind hem. You don't own a blind stitcher? No problem, you can blind stitch it by hand or you can blind stitch it with a regular sewing machine. We learned how to do that in our Sew Like a Pro course. Here we're done. Let's take it out of the machine correctly so that the stitches don't all open. After all, it is a chain stitch. And now the only difference, because it's a pleated skirt, is that when we press it, we need to press the pleats back in place, since when you folded it up, the pleats folded in the opposite direction that the creases came with. So now we need to press them back. Simply place each pleat the way it belongs and press over it. Use a wooden clapper, a piece of wood. It absorbs the steam and it sets in the press better, especially for something like a pleated skirt where the fold, the crease mark went the opposite way that it was originally pressed to be. You need to put an extra secure or an extra heavy press into that to hold that in place. The clapper is a great way to do that. Press over it and then immediately take off your iron while it's still hot and it's still moist, and put the clapper over it. It absorbs the moisture and sets in the press. A wooden clapper is an excellent pressing tool for sewing. You have your pleated skirt, simple as that.